In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code in Google Chrome quickly and easily. This is a super useful trick if you have a QR code saved on your computer and want to find the link behind it without needing a separate app or phone camera. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to a new tab so you can start fresh. In the search bar, look for the lens icon. This is the Google Lens tool built right into Chrome, and it lets you search using images instead of just typing text. Click on that lens icon to continue. After that, you'll see an option that says Upload a file. Click on Upload a file so you can choose the QR code image from your device. Now select the QR code file you want to scan. This could be a screenshot, an image you downloaded, or any saved QR code picture on your computer. Once you've selected the file, click Open. Google Chrome will now upload the image and scan the QR code automatically. In just a moment, it will detect the information inside the code and show you the link or destination attached to it. From there, you can click the result and open the website right away, and that's it. You've successfully scanned a QR code in Google Chrome. It's fast, simple, and very handy when you have a QR code stored on your device. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial.